What is an affiliate program? You've heard about affiliate marketing and you want to know how it works to get your company more traffic, more sales, and more leads. Affiliate programs are also known as associate programs, advertising partners, referral programs, revenue sharing, or partner programs. Some of those terms aren't really accurate. You're not really getting paid. Affiliates don't get paid up front for advertising, so they're not really advertising partners, but these are just some of the things you may hear. Affiliate programs can be run in-house or on a network, which means that a company can have their own tracking, or they can be on a network like Commission Junction or LinkShare, are a couple you may have already heard of. Merchants get to decide what types of affiliates they want to work with, and they can set the terms which determine the structure of the affiliate program. A lot of merchants or potential merchants aren't aware of this. They think that there's a rigid set of rules, and there kind of are, but you can, a lot of it is flexible enough that you can make the program be the way you want it to be. To understand what an affiliate program is, you really need to know the terminology. So, in the next few slides, we're going to go through the terms that you need to know. The first term that is pretty important is the merchant. That is the company that's selling the product or service to the consumer or other businesses. They are the ones with the shopping cart. They're the ones that the consumer goes to make a purchase or to give their information to if it's a lead. Merchants can also be called advertisers. The affiliate is the person that or company that links to the merchant to promote the merchant's product or service for a commission. Affiliates can also be referred to as publishers or associates. The network is the company that provides tracking for impressions, clicks, and the sales or leads. They have an interface for the affiliate where you can, where the merchant can communicate with their affiliates and offer support. And they're the ones that make the payments to affiliates so that the merchant doesn't have to do monthly payments. The network handles all the payments for you. An in-house refers to an affiliate program that is run by the merchant. The merchant has to purchase software, or the software might come with the shopping cart they're using, and that has tracking code which tracks the affiliate sales. And paying the affiliate is the merchant's responsibility, and also providing affiliate support is the merchant's responsibility. Now, the affiliate manager is the person in-house who manages the affiliate program. They are an employee of the merchant. Alternatively, a merchant can use an outsourced program manager, an OPM, which is a consultant that manages multiple affiliate programs. They are not an employee of the merchant, and they will talk more about what they have later. But that's the basic difference between an affiliate manager and an outsourced program manager, is that one works for the merchant and one does not. Now, part of the tracking is a cookie. And a cookie is the tracking code that's placed on the shopper's computer. It's a text file that's like a little note placed on their computer with a tag saying who put it there and how long it stays. The tracking pixel is the code that the merchant places on their confirmation page that will capture the affiliate ID from the cookie that is on the shopper's computer. The cookie duration, we mentioned that the note stays on a computer for a certain amount of time. That's the cookie duration. It's also referred to as a tracking gap or return days. So if a shopper comes through an affiliate link to a website and doesn't make a purchase that day, if they make a purchase within that tracking gap, then the affiliate still gets credit for that purchase. Commission would be the amount paid to the affiliate for sending the sale or lead to the merchant. It can be a percentage or a flat rate. A lead is a form or an email submission, a free trial sign up, or other non sale action that an affiliate can get paid for. And a pay per sale or a cost per sale is when an affiliate gets paid a percentage of the sale for a completed sales transaction. For example, 10% of, when they go out and buy some clothing or whatever. Pay per click is not used as often for most merchants, but it's the way that Google AdWords and AdSense uses. Affiliates are paid per uh, just for sending a click to the merchant site, regardless of whether a sale or a lead takes place. Now, CPA and cost per action, you would think that that's what all of the above are, but because of the nature of lead generation, generally CPA refers to lead generation and a certain specific type of network that specializes in lead generation. Creatives are banners, videos, text links, content, widgets, anything that a merchant supplies to an affiliate that helps them promote their product. A data feed is a catalog of products from the merchant that is supplied as a text file or an XML feed to affiliates via the network or via the affiliate tracking in-house software that affiliates use to create pages or even entire websites. They're also used by third-party companies that create easy ways for affiliates to use feeds from multiple companies to create pages and sites. Phone tracking and offline tracking are becoming more prevalent. It does require merchants to take extra steps, and some networks are already set up to handle this. The merchants that are able to offer phone tracking and offline tracking are going to be the ones that affiliates are going to be looking to work with in the future. Some networks are trying out different ways of tracking, especially with mobile and some other things, but cookie based is still the most common form of tracking at this time. Okay, now here's a really, really important term, and every affiliate in the world wants every merchant in the world to know this and understand this. The term is called a leak, and that would be any link that leads off the merchant's website to somewhere else that an affiliate won't get paid for. This includes, and I was asked this just this week, it includes if the merchant has products sold via eBay or Amazon and they want to link from their main website to those sites, affiliates won't link to you if you have links to those other products. It also includes if you have link exchanges with other websites or other merchants. Again, the affiliate doesn't get paid if that shopper they sent to you clicks off the page and goes off to the other website. That includes paid ads. If you have a banner ad rotation on your website, you're sending traffic away. And for some reason, a lot of merchants don't understand that that also includes AdSense. AdSense is a huge leak, and it's also taking shoppers away from your website. So it really isn't a good idea if you're selling something on a website for you to have any of these external links on your site. You want to keep people on your website to purchase your products, not send them away to go purchase someone else's products. All right, so the next section we're going to talk about the roles. We talked a little bit about it during the terms, but there are specific roles and who does what, and we're going to explain that to you next. The merchant, as we said, they're the company that's selling the product or service. They need to provide creatives and links for affiliates to use to link back to them that include affiliate tracking so that the affiliate can get paid for the sales that they send, for the traffic that they send. The merchant also needs to provide data feeds and other content to affiliates. You can do this via the network or via the in-house program. We'll get to that in a little bit. Really important also is that the merchant needs to create landing pages for affiliates to link to. Affiliates want to deep link. They don't want to just link to your homepage because even though you have a really nice homepage, they're trying to sell products for you. And if they're talking about a product on their website, they really don't want to send somebody to your front page where they have to go searching for that product all over again. They want to go right to a landing page that has the product for sale that the person can just click and buy. The merchant needs to work to ensure that the targeted traffic sent by affiliates converts. Now, some affiliates don't send very targeted traffic, so you're not going to be able to make sure all traffic converts, but a merchant needs to make sure that their own site is converting well with the right kind of traffic. The merchant also creates the policies that outline the type of affiliate activities that are allowed or restricted. There's a lot of different kinds of affiliates. There's a lot of different ways to market, and the merchant is responsible for creating a policy that lets affiliates know what's allowed and what's not. The affiliate is now the person who links to the merchant to promote the merchant's product or services for a commission. They can also be referred to as publishers or associates, as I mentioned before. Some networks and some large places like Amazon call them associates. There are a lot of different types of affiliates, and as I said a minute ago, a lot of different ways affiliates can promote a merchant. Some of the different types are there can be coupon sites, loyalty and incentive sites, email with CAN spam compliant emailers, PPC, they like to do pay per click advertising. You can allow or disallow that. It's also referred to as arbitrage. A lot of affiliates have content websites, which include blogs, but they're not limited to blogs. There have been websites that have been doing affiliate marketing that have been around a lot longer than the current blogging platforms have been around. And also, there are a lot of people that have shopping portals, and there are just a lot of different types of websites. But these are the main groups of affiliate types that are out there. And the network, as I said earlier, the network, one of the main um, functions of the network is that they provide the tracking for sales. They also pay the affiliates on behalf of the merchant. They handle all the reporting, they handle all the year end tax forms, all that stuff that gives a merchant nightmares at the end of the year. Networks also have a pool of affiliates that are ready to work with merchants. They're usually, even though they have their merchants that they work with now, they're always looking for new merchants, good merchants in the different verticals that they are working in. A good network will also provide tools for affiliates like the ability to grab a data feed, create deep product links. Like I mentioned before, affiliates want to be able to link right to a product page and not just send people to your homepage. The networks also host your graphics and host your other creatives and host these tools. The network will have a contact system plus a newsletter system so that the merchant can keep in touch with their affiliates. It's really, really important for a merchant to have like a regular newsletter, and they need to have a contact system so that if an affiliate is doing something you don't want, or if you see a really good site that you think could be doing better, the merchant's able to contact that affiliate. Most networks also protect the affiliate's privacy, so affiliates feel comfortable working with them. An average affiliate could be working with 200 or 300 different merchants, and they don't want all of those people to have their contact information until they've established a relationship with the merchant and they feel comfortable giving them their information. So, although there are some networks that have more transparency than others, affiliates are pretty comfortable with a network that allows them the ability to either hide or share their contact information. In this regard, the networks have the affiliate's trust. They know that the network is going to make sure that the affiliate's going to get paid and that the network is protecting their identity. Networks have access to international affiliates. So if you have a product that can be sold around the world, you can access affiliates that have websites everywhere. Networks in general don't provide an affiliate manager, but they provide a network representative to work with the merchant representative. And usually that merchant representative is an affiliate manager, which we'll talk about in a few minutes. So the biggest product-based networks in the United States, there are others, of course, and there are others in the UK and in Europe that are pretty big. But here's a list of the biggest product-based networks in the United States: Linkshare, Commission Junction, Google Affiliate Network, also referred to as GAN, ShareASale, Buy@, and DirectTrack. Okay, so if you don't want to be on a network, you can have what's called in-house software. And again, the most important thing that your software needs to do is the technical tracking of affiliate sales. When you run an in-house program, the merchant, you have to pay the affiliates directly. The merchant, again, is responsible for the end of year tax forms and reporting. If you do have international affiliates or you want international affiliates, the merchant needs to be familiar with the international tax issues that could crop up. You need to be able to make payments and do the appropriate end of year reporting. An in house program has to work harder to build an affiliate trust. There are almost every major affiliate has a horror story about an in house affiliate program that closed up and didn't pay them. On the other hand, there are a lot of affiliates that want to work directly with the merchant and not go through a network. So if you can build a good program and build the affiliate's trust, you can have a very successful affiliate program. An in-house program isn't going to have an existing pool of affiliates to draw on, and the merchant's going to have to do a lot more recruiting. However, if you do happen to have a client base already, a customer base that would like to refer your products out, and you can reach into your existing customer base to recruit your at least your beginning affiliates, that would be cause for you to go ahead and have an in-house affiliate program. One of the benefits of having an in-house affiliate program is that you do have access to all the affiliates' contact information. Whether the affiliate decides to, some affiliates won't join based on the information that you ask for, but if they do join, you do have access to all their information. You will need to have a newsletter and a contact system, and it needs to be fairly robust. Affiliates like to be able to see the archived newsletters, not just the new ones, and they want to be able to contact you anonymously, and also you need to be able to contact them. Another thing, if you have an in-house program, is you're going to need to host your own banners and other creatives. You can do that through a CDN or other hosting service, but just be aware that affiliates aren't going to host your banners, and you don't want them to. You need to host the banners and any other widgets or creatives that you have for them. And speaking of widgets, you're going to need to develop your own affiliate tools like a page creator, some widgets that show specific types of products or specific categories. If you have a large product base, specially coded search boxes would be valuable. And if you have some videos that show off your product, you're going to want a video player that's encoded so that if it gets clicked on, it will track back to the affiliate that displays that video on their page. So now that you've heard about network versus in-house, here's a little bit of a review of what some of the costs are. And so on a network, you're going to have a setup cost. All are going to have a monthly minimum. Some are higher than others. And a network is also going to want a percentage of your commissions. If you have in-house software, then you pay for your software up front, or if you're using a hosted software, then you'll have a monthly cost for that. You will have to have the cost of employees to process the payroll, and do the end of your accounting. And you're also going to have probably some email management costs and costs to host your creatives and other things that affiliates are going to require. Whether you have a network or an in-house program, you really need to have either an affiliate manager or an OPM. And an in-house program will require more management than a network program simply because you're going to need more recruiting and more development of creatives and a lot more things that the network does that you don't think about, you're going to have to do yourself. Okay, so the affiliate manager. An affiliate manager would be a merchant employee that is in charge of managing the affiliate program. Generally, it needs to be a person that is dedicated to doing just that. Many affiliates, if they hear that the affiliate manager is also the internet marketing director and the PPC guy, the affiliates will know that the affiliate program isn't going to get the attention that it deserves. Many affiliate managers are going to require training because the industry is still so new that there are not a lot of experienced affiliate managers available. And the experienced affiliate managers are going to be relatively expensive. But if you can find the right person and you can get them trained right, you can have a great in house affiliate manager. Like I said before, networks don't usually supply affiliate managers. Some have that you can pay them additionally for management. But the thing you need to remember is that the network is out to make money for the network. They may not do things that are all in your best interest as the merchant. And if they do supply you with a manager, you still need someone in house to communicate back and forth from your company to the network. You can't just let the network run it blindly. And as I said, the network reps have the network's best interests at heart. That's their job, is to make sure that the network is making money. An affiliate manager really has to attend industry events such as Affiliate Summit. There's some other smaller events around the country, but they really need to go to face industry events to develop relationships with affiliates. Again, it's that building trust factor. The affiliate manager is going to be the communication link between the merchant and the affiliates. Now, if you don't want to have an in house affiliate manager or you need someone, you think you need some time to try this out before you hire someone, you can get an OPM or an outsourced program manager. There are many companies out there that provide this service. They are a consultant that manages multiple affiliate programs. They are not the employee of a merchant, they are their own company. A good OPM will already have established relationships with affiliates and can tell you where to go find them and can give them a call and say, "Hey, can you try out this new merchant? Give them a look." If you haven't set up on a network or you haven't decided between network and in-house yet, an OPM can assist you in choosing the right network for your product or service. The biggest thing about an OPM is that they are experienced. If you hire an OPM that isn't experienced, you might as well hire an in-house part-time affiliate manager. The OPMs that are out there have a variety of experience levels, so just make sure you interview them and make sure you get one that's experienced. In most cases, an OPM is going to cost you less than an in-house affiliate manager. However, it depends on the amount of work that you need done, the size of your company, the size of your program. An OPM can also get you started and then help you train someone in-house. Once you have an OPM doesn't mean you have to stay with an OPM forever, although there are a lot of OPMs that do have long-term relationships with the merchants that they manage. The OPM also offers consulting and recruiting to help you get started. And like I said, they can either be with you long term or they can just get you ramped up. So now that you know all the terms and you know everybody's roles, how does this all fit together? How does this all work? So the affiliates send traffic to the merchants that are tracked through the network or the in-house tracking system. When an affiliate link on a website or an email that has an affiliate link in it, when that link is clicked, it sets a cookie that tracks when the sale or the lead transaction is completed. After that sale is made or that lead is recorded, the affiliate is paid a commission by the merchant. And here's a diagram that kind of tries to outline and show you how it works. Again, the merchant has the product or service. The affiliate manager or the OPM does all the communication and the management. The network handles the tracking and the payments, or the in-house tracking solution software that you have will handle the tracking, and the merchant will handle the payments, and the affiliate is the person that sends the traffic and the leads. You have to have all the pieces in order to make this work right. If you leave out one, you're going to have problems. So this is just the very basics of an introduction to running an affiliate program. If you want to know more, I would invite you to come over to merchantabcs.com/training, and you can check out, we have free podcasts there that you can listen to, and we have a place where you can ask questions, and you can check out the training courses that are available.